How you doing? I don't know how it happened, but it happened again. We got new tools. I better be careful. I might actually become good at this. Not likely. Open! Give it to me. Oh, like a carrying case. Look at this, look at this. I love the smell of new tools. Ooh, we got drill bits, we got sockets. I'm already liking it. Ooh, it's got some heft to it, that's for sure. This is the SeeSii cordless impact wrench WH700. It says read before using. We know that ain't happening. The batteries are even charged. Hell yeah. So it comes with 2 batteries, some sockets, then the charger. How do you charge these things? Just plug her in right there. 21 volts. These drill bits are the impact style. Well, at least they go into the drill bit deal. I realize I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, so I'm just gonna show you. It does come with this adapter that goes on. And then these drill bits, it's just a handful of drill bits, you know, nothing crazy. Oh, they are sharp though, holy crap. And it just quick attaches, and so you can use your impact as a drill, if you so choose. It definitely drills. It even comes with some drivers here. You got, you know, Torx spits, screwdrivers, Phillips head screwdrivers. You get a few little extra doodads. Let's just get right to it and see what it'll do, huh? It has 405 foot-pounds of fastening torque, 479 foot-pounds of reverse torque. So let's just start here. That's all right. I got no complaints with that. That worked rather well. Size-wise, it's average, I suppose. I don't know the. What do you want to know? One thing I don't like it for me, because I know me. There's no ball for the socket. You know, clips onto the ball. It's got a nice snug fit for now, but I'm sure over time that'll wear out. It's designed to have a pin through there, and it gave me the pins. I got 3 of them with it. Let's just do it. Let's just put the pin in. Here is the pin. It goes in the hole. It fell right through the hole. How is it supposed to stay there? Are you supposed to put an O-ring on it? Guess I should have read the instructions. I didn't read the instructions. And this is why I am gonna lose this. Guarantee it. There's literally no question that I'm gonna lose it if I were to keep it doing that. I mean, it's the safety feature, you know, so your socket can't fall off. I get it. I get what it's for. It seems a little overkill and unnecessary, but I get it. I, however, will lose or wreck or break the O-ring or whatever, something. The pins are not a good thing for me. If you are a more responsible person than me, then it's probably okay. We should find something that's really difficult to get off. That's what we should do. We should find something that's really tight, because I mean that's what you want to know. Is it gonna break as soon as it gets put under any load? Let's find out. Let's find out together. Thankfully, I have a plethora of rusty nuts and bolts around this place because it's kind of what I do. It's my jam. Let's go outside. Let's go outside and try it. Sorry, it's getting night. It's trying to snow. At least it's not raining. We did, however. This is not a socket that came with it. This is one of my regular 1/2-inch drive impact sockets. It doesn't have the hole all the way through, so you couldn't put the pin all the way through. I suppose you could put it halfway in and then put an O-ring on it if you're worried about it, but it still fits. It slips on. I don't know the history on these bolts. This is a mock-up motor. And you can kind of see they're pretty rusty and crusty. Let's just see if we can break one free. Well, that wasn't even tight. That wasn't even a challenge. Well, that kind of impressed me a little. They're rusty. They're not brand new by any means. I was actually kind of surprised how well it took the main bearing cap bolts out of there. That thing's been sitting outside in the rust, and well, I've never taken them out before. Were they that tight to begin with? I don't know. I didn't check the torque on them. What I will tell you is by comparison, because people like to compare, is it worth it? You know, is it really worth that $130? Here's what I know. This is an old school 1/2-inch Milwaukee impact. It's an older one. It's an 18 volt. It does the job just fine for me. We're on here or whatever. No problems. This tool is heavier than that other one, than the SeeSii. And it has 450 foot-pounds of torque. So bare tool, 140 bucks, 450 foot-pounds of torque, and it's 18 volt. There's lots of other numbers and factors that go into this and all that, but the gist of it is that's what this impact does. Now, for $130, you get the tool, 2 batteries, the charger, the case, a handful of sockets, and even some drill bits. You get a few little extra doodads. So for me, this is 129 bucks on Amazon, and it comes with all of that. Yeah, why not? I mean, it seems okay. We'll put some time into it, see how it holds up. It'll probably go on my go bag for going to the junkyard. When I go on road trips with the car, I always bring a go bag of tools because I know my stuff is probably gonna break and I like to be prepared. And it'll probably end up in that, honestly, for this price point. I thought I was gonna open this thing, use it one time, smell that burning electric smell you get, and the thing was gonna quit after one lug nut. Honestly, that was my thought on this, and I was gonna show you if that's what happened. But I can genuinely say I'm surprised. If you're running a full-blown automotive shop, you're probably gonna have something along name brand stuff, and that's fine because you're using them all day, every day. But yeah, the average guy in the backyard who's trying to save a couple bucks and doesn't want to spend the $600 it is for those who shall not be named brand. This is all right. I'm definitely gonna bring it with me when I go places and try it out. I'll give you an update if it craps out next week. Absolutely, I will. Anywho, I'm gonna get back to working on my 51 Ford here. Yeah, that's got a Power Stroke in it. It's pretty badass. Thanks for watching.